Hi, I'm John. I'm Ellie's dad.
And today we are going to be doing the real food versus squishy food.
Squishy.
So we have the plate. We don't know which is real or fake. Let's let the oldest person first to pick if they want to keep this or
I think we're gonna switch. Alright. Now what happens? Bread. We're soft, yo.
And I
fall down.
I want a bite of that though.
I'm not so
Wait, did you show
good
Smiley face? Look,
at
just like that.
standing still. Prefer my feet pounding the pavement. In every direction I'm
Good.
running back.
Next challenge.
Gets my heartbeat going, just like law without the
So
mess.
Dad gets 1 point since he got this squishy.
It's a
Should we
win-win.
pause this and then we'll come back?
Sure. We will be right back. Okay, guys.
Yep, we're back.
Spin and spin,
Alright, since I won last time,
spin
I
and spin, I
What can you pick? Okay.
around. I spin and spin, I spin and spin, I
Ready?
spin, spin
So I got
around.
the squishy banana.
I got squishy banana too, look.
Oh,
And I
okay.
fall down.
But here's the squishy.
I wonder if life could be better measured in traits
Everybody wins in this game.
Yeah.
or
There's no
built
loser.
No loser, everybody
on our shoes
Let's do this.
or learning first
So,
and
we will be back for the next round here. So yeah.
Awesome.
time doesn't seem
Alright,
guys.
final round here. It's 1 for 1.
And I just need a
could
mention this.
use a lot more of it, but it runs
Alright,
So you want to switch?
I'm gonna keep mine.
Okay.
so I spin and
Oh,
spin, I spin and spin, I
Milkshake.
spin, spin around. I spin
No, I
and
won.
spin, I
Who's milkshake?
spin and spin, I
I can't have that.
spin, spin
Let's trade.
around.
I win!
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Give this video a big
Like.
thumbs up.
And I fall
Subscribe.
down.
Hit that button down there. It says subscribe. It will turn green when you do it.
There's
Put on the
only
post
one
notification.
place I
Comment down below.
find
Done.
so
If you
far.
finish.
Alright,
Done.
let's go.
Time stands
See ya.
still.
Bye-bye.
Bye.